as you are aware, permit me to stand on the existing protocol. As you are aware, today marks 27th of June. As part of the mandate for Admis to draw down and hand over security responsibilities to the FGS, today we are going to hand over this FOB, amongst others, as have been highlighted, to the Somali National Army. Hajikali, as the fourth commander has rightly said, is relatively peaceful. However, we can it's part of it's their duty that Admis at this point to ensure that we follow the due protocol to achieve the mandate. So this FOB, in terms of the facilities which will be left behind, sir, at that point in time, the SNA is just for life savings. I'm talking as a chief force engineer to ensure that we at Admis, in terms of fortifying this FOB, we have done our best at Admis, and we hope that this fortification will also be of use to the SNA in protecting general area, as well as the troops here have also maintained a cordial relationship at achieving security around the neighboring environments. The same thing also, we hope that the SNA will keep to that standard. Sir, I will not say much because in terms of the Admis aspect, we are very proud for this moment.